Hi friends, welcome back. This time the trip is going to be very different and special one. और ये नॉर्थ वैंकूवर स्टार्ट हो गया है। यही सारे माउंटेन वाइट होते हैं विंटर में। फॉल में these trees will also change color. So same city can have various views in different seasons. And right now enjoying summer. So this is Capilano Road and we are going towards Horseshoe Bay. And North Vancouver we have already entered. Vancouver, British Columbia is an island and it is surrounded by various small and big other islands also. Bowen Island and Nanaimo. This is the path. If you just see Bowen Island is in the same path on the right.
Bowen Island है ना?
Yeah. This is the terminal. It's welcome to Horseshoe Bay Terminal, BC Ferries.
Now exit right.
So we have to be on the right side. We have to pay the rent, I guess. I don't know.
Bowen Island ना?
Yeah.
This is Bowen Island.
Yeah. We have to be on the 8.
In 400 meters, turn left. The
There is no
next traffic
8 in
circle
Bowen
at the
Island.
first
In other
exit.
places, there is like more people are going towards other places. You know. Look
क्या
at this.
return fare? You want to buy return fare? Time देख लो. Ill said.
Going to Bowen Island. Wait, we go.
Lane 1.
You got it.
Oh, thank you. And when I have to come back, I just go to the ferry and just...
For our very first island and ferry experience, we chose Bowen Island. Join us and see how our entire adventure has gone. Going to Bowen Island. Yes. $50 लग गए हैं already. That's a return fare for 2 people, which is decent. It's a long, long line. And it is a stop sign.
61 to 72 ना?
As you can see, the line was huge because summer weekends are usually packed. On top of it, we just planned it as a one-day trip. This will be our first experience in Canada driving through the ferry, putting our car inside. Let's see how it goes. Still waiting?
Still waiting. I think ये दूसरी lanes में भी गाड़ियाँ आएंगी, तो हमारा टाइम आएगा. And it's about 15 minutes का interval है. Every 15 minutes ferries go. So we are waiting for our time. तब तक chill कर रहे हैं. And if you want to show, वहाँ पे restroom है. You can sit. And there's a coffee vending machine.
Bowen Island is very near. The ferry drive is just going to be for 20 minutes and hence one day looked pretty decent for us to plan this trip. Finally, around 1 घंटा wait किया, you know?
Finally on the ferry.
Your car is on the ferry. Finally.
We got the upper deck.
Since it was a shorter trip, this ferry was relatively smaller, but it was our first experience and we were very excited about it. And then you can step up. Sitting area है यहाँ पे. पैंडेमिक है तो सबने मास्क पहना हुआ है और ये टॉप डेक है. So we are at Horseshoe Bay and we are going towards Bowen Island. And let's see वहाँ का bay कैसा.
ये इनकमिंग फेरी है एंड आई थिंक कोविड के चक्कर में थोड़ा सा स्लो है प्रोसेस, बट इट्स पैक्ड आई गेस. लोग जा रहे हैं, समर टाइम है तो एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं. एंड लुक एट दिस डॉकिंग, इतने बड़ी फेरी मैंने नहीं देखी आज तक।
Whoa.
लुक्स लाइक ये भी साथ में चल रही है।
Worth the wait. It is worth the wait. The views were so beautiful, and so was the weather. I like the wind. Usually यहाँ पे बहुत ठंडा होता है, but आज weather अच्छा है. And ये वाली wind तो like tropical feel आ रही है. It feels like I've reached Bali. One big tip for you while traveling to the islands nearby is watch out for the weather. If it is a sunny day, it's going to be a totally different experience. If it will be rainy, it might not have views like the one that you are watching right now. Looking at the beautiful weather, we decided that we will explore Bowen Island really well. We were making list of various beaches there and other important tourist spots including famous cafes. There was a lot to see for one day. These are the waters of Howe Sound, which connects Vancouver to Bowen Island, and the terminal of Bowen Island is called as Snug Cove Terminal. And so in no time we reached Bowen Island. Going down, we are reaching. Lovely homes by the... Yeah, I like those homes. Or probably Airbnbs. A lot of people are doing stay over these Airbnbs, no? By the bay. This is Snug Cove Terminal, so we have reached. And Rohit want to see कि ये किस तरह से docking होगी. I can see that net U-shaped thing they will fit it in. और फिर जल्दी से जाके गाड़ी में बैठना भी है. I think 20 minutes में पहुंच गए हम लोग. It's a very good weekend getaway and you don't feel the city kind of vibe here. You can feel very town kind of thing. के फटाफट गाड़ी में जाना है. I'm kind of hungry. Bowen Island is around 12 kilometers long and we already had planned to check out almost all the beaches there. And so we are out of the Snug Cove Terminal. And Bowen Island welcomes you. Woohoo! As promised, we explored many beaches at Bowen Island, and my next vlog will be sharing all the details about it for your next trip there. That's Bowen Island Public Library. Cute little library. Those are distilleries and there are a lot of cafes. So we are going to Artisan Square for some views and cafes. This is Uptown Bowen. This is like hilltop view of the entire area. So we can get cafes and I can have ice cream though.
What a store.
Very soon I'm coming back with my next vlog. Till then, subscribe to my channel, share it, like it and comment on it. Thank you for watching.